Hey Sharks, my name is Kyle Scarola. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. My background is electrical engineering, and I'm the CEO of GoScope LLC.
Sharks, I'm Jim Scarola. I'm Kyle's dad, and I'm from Jensen Beach, Florida.
Our business is GoScope. We make accessories for GoPro cameras. We want to help people capture their adventure in their world. Many people have a GoPro camera, but in order to take full advantage of their GoPro, they need certain accessories to help them tell their story to the world. And that's where GoScope comes involved. We make poles, we make bags, we make lens filters, we have a wide variety of products. Our premier accessory is this pole. It helps us capture our image and capture our world. We're asking for $400,000 for 20% stake in our company. If the Sharks invest in GoScope, the possibilities for this company are endless. We can hire new people to help us grow our brand, invest in new products, expand where we're warehousing GoScopes currently. We have warehouses in Charlotte and warehouses in Hong Kong. We'd like to expand that to South America, Australia, and Europe. One of our biggest expenses at GoScope are the mold costs for our products. We want to broaden the range of products that we make. We want to advance the products that we currently make. We want to make sure that we are the top of the line GoPro accessory manufacturer.
But beyond the 20% stake and $400,000, we're really looking for the skills and knowledge base to bring our product to a broader base of customers. When you get into the manufacturing, you get into the shipping, you get into the supply chain, the amount of inventory to have, the distribution, and then the marketing. That's all new to us engineers.
So you may be asking yourself, why GoScope? Why invest in an accessories brand when there are many accessory brands out there for GoPro cameras? We've designed our products to be very easy to use for the consumer. Our best selling product at GoScope is the Boost Plus, and this is a great example of quality material in what we make. When you buy a GoPro, it comes with a buckle on the bottom of it. There are buckles everywhere. You put buckles on your board, you put buckles on your chest, you put buckles on your helmet. Why not buckle directly to your pole? So we've developed the twin buckle head for the GoScope. If you look at the Boost Plus, it's the head unit that buckles directly to the GoPro camera is made out of polycarbonate. The pole itself is made out of a magnesium aluminum. This prevents the pole from corroding in salt water. The rubber joints on it and the handle are made out of silicone. On the inside of the pole, we have a unique locking system called Scope Lock that we've designed ourselves. This allows the pole to be locked at any position between 17 and 40 inches.
Now, early out when Kyle developed this, he thought about, well, how do I protect this product? So he did file for a patent and is fully approved and holds the patent now in his name. GoScope LLC was formed in 2013. At that time, we had one product in our line and we sold about 700 units. Today, we sell over a dozen products in our line and we've sold over 60,000 units.
What's so remarkable about GoScope is that we haven't used traditional advertising. Most of our sales have been through word of mouth, Instagram, Amazon deals. This just shows the quality of the product and the impact that it's had on the consumers. In 2014, we grossed more than $1.1 million. Most of that money was put back into the company to invest in new product development. So 4 years ago, I bought my very first GoPro Hero camera. I started using the camera, filming my environment, and I figured out pretty quickly that if you film yourself in your environment, the image is so much better. So that's how I developed the first pole.
He developed the pole in his garage. And not only did he develop it there, but he continued to manufacture it there. He would take parts from the retail market, assemble them together using epoxies to make the mold head, and that's what he was going to market with.
So I've taken some serious risks to get GoScope off the ground. In 2013, I quit my full-time job as an electrical engineer at a nuclear power firm. My whole life, I've dreamed of being in the nuclear power industry. I have 4 generations of us that have been in the power industry, and for me to take that jump from being in a full-time position at an engineering job to GoScope was going to take some serious convincing. And I looked around at the people that I was providing these poles to, and I was improving their lives. I was showing them a new way to take advantage of their GoPro camera. Our top brand ambassador is Devin Graham. He gets on YouTube and makes these unbelievable videos of people having fun, having a blast, and using their GoPro camera, and he couldn't get any of his shots without the GoScope. Our second biggest brand ambassador would be the GoPro Bomb Squad. Again, these are guys we don't pay. These are guys that they come back to us and say, hey, the GoScope's awesome. We jump out of planes with it. We get the best footage possible with the GoScope. It's also for people that go out and live their everyday life, not jumping off of a cliff or out of a plane. Whether it's their honeymoon or they're going on a cruise with their family, GoScope is helping people capture their story and to tell it to the world. GoScope means everything to me. We have invested everything we have into this company. My wife Lindsay works part-time here. I work full-time here. We have a family that is going to start growing, and we want the Sharks to know that this is something that I've dreamed of doing and put my heart and soul into. At GoScope, our goal is pretty simple. We want to give everybody the ability to tell their story, to capture them in their environment, to show us their world. So Sharks, we're asking you to come on this adventure with us and scope it out.